Good morning. I am Dr. Amol Dilip Joshi. I am a ENT, ear, nose, throat, head and neck surgeon practicing in Pimple Saudagar, Pimpri Chinchwad. Last few months, Corona pandemic has ruined our life like any hell. Till now, we were observing lockdown very strictly. It helped to slow down the disease spread and the pandemic. But for so many reasons, like social reasons, political, economic reasons, government has to relax the rules of lockdown, but try to understand, Corona pandemic has not relaxed. Corona pandemic is ever increasing. The number of patients, number of deaths, everything is increasing. So situation is becoming horrible and horrible, dangerous and dangerous day by day. Now the disease has spread from urban areas to rural areas. The condition in rural areas is still worse. So, what I observe when I see people around me or when I see patients who come to my hospital, that many people have understood the rules, but now they are thinking that now there is no rule of there is no need of any rule or need of following any rule. Some people have understood have some people know the rules, but they have not understood the gist of the rule. Okay, why this rule is to be followed, and some people do not know the rules also. So after seeing this, as a doctor, as a layman, as an observer, what I can see is I have formulated some simple tips, some points, which if you try to implement in your life, they can really help to save yourself from this pandemic. I have made a two-part video. This is the first part, and the second part will also follow. Please listen to both the parts. This is my humble request to all of you. The first rule is, even though the public lockdown is coming to an end, the personal lockdown phase is starting. This is some new concept I am trying to devise. This is a Vyaktigat lockdown, you can call personal lockdown. What does it mean? That even though the rules are not imposed by the government, at our personal level, we are going to follow all those rules which we were following during the lockdown phase. So this is our personal lockdown phase. This phase will last till the disease is really under control. So it may last up for 2 months, 3 months, or 4 5 months. But believe me, if we all follow these rules, the pandemic will come under control very soon. These rules are not really different rules. They are the common things which you have heard, but I am trying to explain them for its better compliance or better implementation. The foremost rule is everybody should have 2 or 3 good quality masks. Good quality mask means the mask which covers all of your face. It should close your nose, close your mouth, close your cheeks, close your chin also. Using handkerchiefs, rumal, sadika, pallu, and all is a nonsense. Understand well, this is a deadly pandemic. The whole world is struggling for that, and we are compromising on a 30, 40, 50, 100 rupees mask. If it is possible for you, use N95 mask. If you are not able to use that, use surgical mask. If not, a properly woven cotton, thick cotton mask. A mask should be tightly placed on your face. It should not be loose. If the mask is loose, it will not filter the viruses. Then there is no use of it, or no point in using any mask. Next rule is, when you go out from your house, you should put the mask, and till you come back from your work, do not remove the mask. The mask should not go down till you come back. It needs lot of practice. If you are going out for say 6 hours, 6 hours the mask should remain on your face. It needs lot of practice. But believe me, if you take the mask down after say 1 hour or after 15 minutes, it is of no use. Because whenever you touch your mask, the viruses which get accumulated on the surface will come on your hand, then they will spread to your face and rest of the body parts. So please understand, the mask should not be removed till you come back to the house. Do not touch your mask. Do not touch your face again and again. Do not pick the nose. Do not put finger in the mouth, in the ears. Do not rub the eyes. Do not touch your face. If you touch your face, the viruses will definitely lodge on your face, and when you remove the mask, they will enter because of your respiration to the respiratory tract. Next rule is, always carry a small sanitizer bottle in your pocket. Every person in the family should have a separate sanitizer bottle. Even children should have separate sanitizer bottles. So if there are 2 adults and 2 children in the family, a family should have 8 masks and 4 sanitizer bottles. Do not touch anything outside. If you go to a grocery shop, do not touch the table. Do not touch the railings of the staircases. We have a bad habit of touching some poster, some wall here and there. No, any surface can accumulate coronaviruses for nearly 7 to 8 days, sometimes even more. So there is a high risk if somebody has some positive patient has passed from that surface, and if you touch that surface, you will get infection. If by some chance or by some necessity, if you touch some paper, something outside, please take your sanitizer bottle, just rub the hand and keep the sanitizer bottle. If for some reason you have to rub your eyes, what will you do? Take sanitizer, then take handkerchief or take paper napkin, then rub it, then just put the your handkerchief in the pocket and again rub the hands. Okay. Now, one very important thing. Whenever we go out, if you come across some familiar person, your close friend, your office mate, your colleague, what happens? You think that, okay, I see this person every day and I know he is not having any disease. How do you know? This is an assumption. Understand well, all those patients, suppose one person is found to be positive for corona, all those who are positive are from close contacts. Corona transmission is less likely from an unknown person who just passed by you. You won't get it from a passerby. You will get it by a close contact. Coronavirus infection has nothing to do with your relation with that person. That person is close to you, doesn't matter for corona. If he stands close to you, if you don't follow social distancing, if because you know him, you are taking your mask down, you can get viral infection. So this was the first video. In the second video, I have elaborated more rules for hotels, for shops, and for personal life also. So do watch that video also.